In this video I'm going to show you whether you can unsend all Instagram messages at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram, get into DMs and let's open up some conversation, and now let me send there some messages. And next I'll show you how to remove that messages. To be able to remove a message, all you have to do is to hold down on that message and there hit at unsend, and that's it. Now I have just unsended one single message. Unfortunately, there are no option to remove all the messages from here, but you can continue doing that action, like hold down and unsend, hold down and unsend, and in a couple of minutes you can remove the whole conversation. As you see, I got there not too much posts to unsend. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.